Christmas stuff, and I put this color out, like this pinky kind of salmon color. I'm still getting rid of stuff. Over here, this is where the tree was. I put this back, but I don't think I like how this looks. I kind of feel like it needs the flowers to be like hanging down. And I don't know if I want to put this one, but I don't know. I don't know. And then over here, I put these, which maybe if I bend them could go there. I'm not sure. I have this box that's stuff that I'm going to take to Goodwill. And I don't know. I gotta get rid of a lot of stuff. I just took this out. I'm gonna make chicken, but I washed these so I can put these away. I'm gonna make my egg thing on the muffin pans, but I put this one out, and I put these florals because I didn't have anything else. Alright, I don't know what kind of mess I did here, but so I'm gonna do a big amount. I'm gonna do a couple so that I can have for the week and so I can have this morning. So that's what I'm gonna do now. Alright, so I only did 8. I don't know if I want to have these in the fridge for so many days, like, you know, that would be 6 days. I don't know. I'm gonna do the bacon now. I picked up this turkey bacon. We're gonna try it out. Okay, I try to get them as crispy as possible because I like them very crispy. I don't know if I burnt them, but this looks like it burnt. So I made 4. I'm gonna eat 2. I'm gonna give 2 to my son so he can try it once the eggs are done. But I'm gonna tell you right now, I don't know about these. So yeah. Okay, I know I'm looking crazy, but I'm taking down Christmas decor. I'm throwing a whole bunch of stuff out. I'm clearing stuff out, and I just finished the eggs. I put it in this little cute little tray. Look at that. This I don't know about. You know what this tastes like? Slim Jims. And I ain't a fan of Slim Jims. I have to get used to this taste, but this is delicious. So look how pretty they look. Don't they look so pretty? What? Look at me trying to be Betty Crocker. So I have an oil in my hair because it's like a tea tree oil kind of thing, because my scalp has been so dry. I feel like my whole body has been dry. Like my lips feel like they're on fire, and I feel like I'm trying to get something. I don't know. So I don't know. This healthy living, I don't know. But I'm gonna save these for the week. I'm gonna finish this. I'm gonna try to get used to that bacony turkey thing, and we'll see. Okay, so the bins are filled. I've already packed everything. Until next year, when my husband gets home, he'll put it in the shed. I'm tired. Tired. So I spent the day changing everything. Calla esa carita que tú de mala no te ves tan bonita. My husband says. I'm tired. I'm in denial. So I'm preparing some chicken. I'm gonna do a little bit of rice, a little bit of chicken, and I'm gonna make a salad for me because I'm not gonna eat the rice, but my husband and my son, they'll have the rice. But I'm gonna do it with barbecue sauce. So yeah, I'm out of breath. I think that's it for today. I'm gonna go wash this hair. I put some oil because it's supposed to, like, I don't know, moisten the scalp or whatever, but it feels itchy, so I don't know if it's not agreeing with my hair or it's actually working. So I will see you guys tomorrow. Hey guys, so I just got home and it was crazy. This morning my car didn't start, and I don't think I left anything on. I pulled it out of the garage yesterday to move the tree, to put the tree back where it was, and moved it back in and got out of the car. I ended up having to take my husband's car, and I don't like driving his car because it's one of those where you touch the gas and you're like, so you feel like you're driving like that, you know? So I'm waiting for him to come. Hopefully I left something on, or maybe one of the doors didn't actually close completely. I was gonna go to the supermarket because I needed to get some meat, but I didn't want to take his car. So I'm waiting for him to come, and then maybe I'll just either go to Aldi's or probably just order something. I don't know. I'm feeling a little frustrated with that, but the other thing is, with all the stuff that I did yesterday, like all the cleaning and all the removing and doing this and doing that, because I don't always have time during the week, since on the weekends I go into the city and I don't have time for like a deep like I did yesterday. My back felt so stiff, and running around doing all this stuff, like my lips felt dry, and instead of going to get the chapstick, I'm like a 2-year-old, so my lips are like burning. So when I was putting on foundation this morning, I was like, But I don't know if I'm gonna film the next couple of days because I wanted to do some makeup tutorials, and my lips, they're just dry, like around the edge it's just dry. So I don't want to put lipstick or anything. I've been wearing chapstick, and but yeah. So on a side note, I had that turkey bacon again this morning, and it was okay. Maybe I just needed to get used to the texture because it's not as like the regular bacon, and because it's healthy, I'm pretty sure it's not supposed to taste good. But yeah, so I'm gonna end this video here. I didn't do too much. I wanted to run to TJ Maxx. I wanted to do a couple of like just window shopping, but I don't know. So I'm really hoping that it's just that, I left something on and it just needs a jump. So, and because I was on my husband's car, I didn't have one of the mounts for the camera. It doesn't have a mount for your phone. He puts it down like that. And I was just like, so yeah. But that's pretty much it. I felt like I was going to say something and it went. A lot of people were like, what happened with the picture I put? But it was just the tree coming down.